It's winter, it's love month, and here's my Valentine special. It's -17 today. -17. Note your freezer is only up to -10. So it's colder than your freezer. And to keep you warm, to keep you snugly on this love month is a hot choco. We're doing Choco Bombs. I know these are flimsy molds, but I'm gonna use them to make my heart-shaped Choco Bomb. Bum, 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 bum. Fade out. Insert fade out music here. So what would I need? I need my hot chocolate. I have 2 powdered hot chocolates here. One is just plain and this one has small marshmallows. My chocolate chips. I bought some sprinkles and my molds. So we're just gonna do 2 because it's just, again, me and my husband. And this one, the medium-sized marshmallows. Let's get it on. I'm gonna just use half a cup of chocolate chip. So I'm using milk chocolate. So we'll try to do 2 choco bombs. One for me, one for my mom. It's our Valentine treat. This is actually heart-shaped. And it's silicone so that your chocolate can easily be taken out from the mold. So half cup of chocolate chips. I'm gonna make my own double boiler. I'm boiling water here, and on a smaller pot, I'm gonna melt the chocolate. Okay, I don't have a double boiler, so I have to make do with what I have. I'm putting in my half cup of chocolate chip. I let this boil for now, and I'll put my chocolate chip on top while stirring it. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of milk. So now my milk chocolate has a tablespoon of fresh milk. Sorry, we're using the hot water to melt it. You want the consistency to be not clumpy. That's why if you put it directly on the heat or you microwave it, there's a very big tendency that your chocolate would end up too hot and it would form into clumps. So double boiling is the best strategy. We want the chocolate to be runny. Not too runny, but just enough for it to be reformed, reshaped into hearts. Choco bombs, here we come. You need to consistently stir it because if not, it gets burnt on the side. So this is the consistency that we want. Runny and not clumpy. So this is good. Now to shape it into hearts. So we have our melted chocolate and we have our mold. We need to spread it thinly on the mold. Just not too thin because your choco bombs might break. lot of imperfections, but this will do. Again, I'm not a professional, so don't kill me for it. We are now gonna see how this chocolate works like a bomb. Did you see that? Sorry, I got excited and I didn't realize that I cut the video. Here's my hot chocolate. I have small marshmallows, the medium-sized marshmallows, and of course a chocolate. Sending out all the sweetness and all the love for this Valentine's Day. From Pangkanajan, Happy Hearts Day!